Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial. Today we are going to discuss GPT-5 for the developers. What's new in that one? Let's take a look. So the first one, that is a GPT-4 score 32% solving GitHub issues, but the GPT-5 scores 85% over 2x improvement, fixes real bugs, add features and passes tests. Reading big code bases. GPT-4 handles the limited files. Whenever we send the file like thousand of lines, it like broke up and it says that you can't upload like this. So GPT-5 can process the entire repos. Provides meaningful architecture insights. Writing complex functions, GPT handles edge cases, dependencies, produces clean production ready logic. Great for the full features like login flows. Next, we have the debugging. Okay, so GPT-4 guessed errors lacked depth, but GPT-5 understand logs, stack traces also, offer real fixes, not summaries. Code translation between the languages, GPT-5 understand the idioms, preserves logic. Python, Rust, actually usable code. Avoid syntax only mistakes. Next, we have a writing DevOps and the CI tools. GPT-5 scaffold, Docker files, pipelines also knows GitHub Actions, CI/CD setups. Works with less prompting. Wow. Next, we have a acting like a dev agent. So GPT-5 acts like tasks, not just answers. Can summarize PRs, read logs, generate notes. Helps you ship faster. Clear my take, GPT feels like a dev, not a toy, handles the tasks junior devs would. Still not perfect at unit test cases, but getting better. Okay, so hope you like what exactly the chat GPT 5 is. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.